I like to eat apples.
I like to eat apples.
She goes to school daily.
She goes to school daily.
We are watching a movie.
We are watching a movie.
He plays football on weekends.
He plays football on weekends.
They live in a big house.
They live in a big house.
I have a pet cat.
I have a pet cat.
The sky is very blue today.
The sky is very blue today.
It is cold outside now.
It is cold outside now.
My mother is cooking dinner.
My mother is cooking dinner.
I am learning English online.
I am learning English online.
He is reading a book.
He is reading a book.
She is talking to her friend.
She is talking to her friend.
The baby is sleeping peacefully.
The baby is sleeping peacefully.
I go shopping on Saturdays.
I go shopping on Saturdays.
We are going to the park.
We are going to the park.
They are eating ice cream.
They are eating ice cream.
I love my family very much.
I love my family very much.
My brother is very funny.
My brother is very funny.
She wears a red dress.
She wears a red dress.
He has a big smile.
He has a big smile.
I need a glass of water.
I need a glass of water.
The dog is barking loudly.
The dog is barking loudly.
This book is very interesting.
This book is very interesting.
I clean my room every day.
I clean my room every day.
We study together at night.
We study together at night.
I drink tea every morning.
I drink tea every morning.
They are playing in the garden.
They are playing in the garden.
I listen to music often.
I listen to music often.
She dances very well.
She dances very well.
He is fixing his bike.
He is fixing his bike.
We ride our bikes together.
We ride our bikes together.
I brush my teeth twice daily.
I brush my teeth twice daily.
My father drives to work.
My father drives to work.
I watch TV after dinner.
I watch TV after dinner.
She writes in her notebook.
She writes in her notebook.
The children are very happy.
The children are very happy.
I open the window for air.
I open the window for air.
We wear warm clothes in winter.
We wear warm clothes in winter.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating.
He eats lunch at noon.
He eats lunch at noon.
I walk to school every day.
I walk to school every day.
She wears glasses to read.
She wears glasses to read.
The sun is shining bright.
The sun is shining bright.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
We read together at night.
We read together at night.
I feed my dog daily.
I feed my dog daily.
He drinks juice every morning.
He drinks juice every morning.
She sings very sweetly.
She sings very sweetly.
They clap after the song.
They clap after the song.
I pack my bag every night.
I pack my bag every night.
We take the bus to work.
We take the bus to work.
I write a diary every night.
I write a diary every night.
She helps her mom cook.
She helps her mom cook.
He is painting a picture.
He is painting a picture.
I draw flowers in my book.
I draw flowers in my book.
We play games after school.
We play games after school.
She buys fruits from the market.
She buys fruits from the market.
I like chocolate and cake.
I like chocolate and cake.
He visits his grandma often.
He visits his grandma often.
I use my phone too much.
I use my phone too much.
The clock is on the wall.
The clock is on the wall.
I wear shoes every day.
I wear shoes every day.
My bag is under the chair.
My bag is under the chair.
The water is very cold.
The water is very cold.
I see stars at night.
I see stars at night.
She opens the door slowly.
She opens the door slowly.
He closes the window now.
He closes the window now.
I like rainy days a lot.
I like rainy days a lot.
We take photos at the beach.
We take photos at the beach.
I eat rice and vegetables.
I eat rice and vegetables.
My shoes are very dirty.
My shoes are very dirty.
I dry my clothes outside.
I dry my clothes outside.
He runs in the morning.
He runs in the morning.
She ties her hair neatly.
She ties her hair neatly.
The baby is very cute.
The baby is very cute.
We play music at parties.
We play music at parties.
I learn new words daily.
I learn new words daily.
I write my homework daily.
I write my homework daily.
She reads stories before sleep.
She reads stories before sleep.
The lamp is on the table.
The lamp is on the table.
I charge my phone at night.
I charge my phone at night.
He wears a black shirt.
He wears a black shirt.
I keep my desk clean.
I keep my desk clean.
We are going to school.
We are going to school.
The kids are playing outside.
The kids are playing outside.
I sit near the window.
I sit near the window.
My grandma tells good stories.
My grandma tells good stories.
I sing when I am happy.
I sing when I am happy.
He laughs at funny jokes.
He laughs at funny jokes.
She drinks water after running.
She drinks water after running.
I open my book and read.
I open my book and read.
We clap for the winners.
We clap for the winners.
The milk is in the fridge.
The milk is in the fridge.
I don't like loud noise.
I don't like loud noise.
My shoes are too small.
My shoes are too small.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
She likes to watch cartoons.
She likes to watch cartoons.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
He brings his lunchbox.
He brings his lunchbox.
We study hard for exams.
We study hard for exams.